Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to create your own Fantasy Premier League. Now, if you don't already have the Premier League app, make sure to download this on your App Store or your Google Play Store. Now, once that you have this download, let's go ahead and open up the app. Make sure that you're signed in, and then we're going to be going into our Fantasy right here on the middle, which will open up the Fantasy Premier League. Now for us to go ahead and create our own, we're just going to be scrolling down until we can see the leagues and cups section. And then we should be able to see configuration right here. Configure leagues. So let's just go ahead and click on this. And then in this section, we're able to go ahead and click on create and join new leagues and cups. So just go ahead and click on this. And then you now have the option to go ahead and create a league cup right here at the bottom. So let's just go ahead and click on this, and then you can go ahead and create either a classic scoring type or a head-to-head scoring type. Now this really depends in terms of your preference, but let's just go ahead and click on create a league cup right here. Now go ahead and give it a name like this one right here, and then you can go ahead and choose as to when the scoring would start in terms of which game week it would be. Usually this would be on game week 1. And then once that you're happy, just go ahead and click on create. And then you should be able to see that the league has now been created right here. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.